Welcome back. That was quick. So it was quick for me. I was like 40 seconds and now I'm recording the video again. But who knows what you did in the meantime? I don't need to know. It's fine. So this is property goals. The previous page in your workbook was understanding your personal goals. And I hope that it may have triggered some kind of interest in, well, what will you be doing with the property in the long term or in the short term? This page in your workbook is talking about property goals. So I need you to clarify now for me and for you if this is going to be an investment property for you. And if this purchase that you're looking at doing right now is going to be an investment property for you. However, if you're purchasing an investment property, I would like to explain to you that there is more that you need to learn. This whole course, these hours of videos, or all of these workbooks, this is the only video and the only page in any workbook where I talk about investment properties, because as a buyer's agent, my niche, what I'm good at, what I love to do, how I work, is to help people buy homes. There are other buyer's agents out there, bless them, who specialize in investment properties and purchasing investment properties for their clients. They're really good at that. Great. It's not my cup of tea. This whole course and program is called the Clever Home Buyer. It's not the Clever Property Investment Strategist. So the first part of this sheet that's in front of us says, are you a property investor? Purchasing this property you're looking to purchase, and the reason you're listening to me right now, it can either enable or limit what you do with your next property purchase. Will this property always be a place for you to live in? Or will it eventually become a financial asset in your future property investment portfolio? To help you understand and clarify this, there are some questions here. Fast forward 5 to 10 years. So in 5 to 10 years, do you intend to make money by renting this home to others? Yes or no? Black and white, yes or no? If you do, if you want to rent this home out and you intend to do so in 5 years, do you plan to buy this home now and then use its equity to buy your next home? If you don't know what the word equity means, it's kind of like after a little while, the home's value will go up and the amount that you owe may go down. And so therefore this gap is appearing. That's equity. And you can use that to do other things with this money. Equity is not really a word you come across all that often in everyday life unless you're talking about this sort of thing. If yes, you do intend to make money by renting this home to others in the future, do you plan to buy more properties in the future and earn an income from property investment? If yes, do you need help to define a property investment strategy? If yes, do you understand the difference between capital growth and rental yield? You know why? Because property investment is a different kettle of fish. Still buying a property, but it's different. And so I would like to explain to you what's the difference. Buying investment property changes your buyer's brief. Your needs will be different. It's not an emotional buy, your dream home. It shouldn't be. If you're looking to buy this as a future investment property in 5 years' time or so, it's not an emotional buy. It's emotional because you have to live in it for a short while, but you should see the end in sight as to this is just a financial strategy. When you buy a dream home, you're satisfying personal needs and desires. You're looking for a place to live and create lasting memories. You don't want to buy a home that's a bad investment, but there's more to consider. An investment property's full focus is on financial returns, such as rental income and capital growth in high demand areas with strong rental markets and low maintenance expenses. There's all of this other information to consider if you're looking at an investment property. So I would like to now show you where I would like to direct you. If you're looking for somebody who, once you finish this course, do this course. This course is it's gold. It's going to give you so much information. But then I would like to direct you to where to find somebody who can then provide you with specific advice around making sure that your investment properties are planned and strategic. Stand by. here is a website that I would direct you to. It's the Property Investment Professionals of Australia, and you can get qualified property investment advice. And if you come to this area here, you can see find a member and look at the categories. You can choose buyer's agents who specialize in property investment, accountants. You can find financial planners, lawyers, mortgage brokers. It's all here. And so I would encourage you to come here if you're looking for a specific type of professional advice for helping you with your strategic property investment. It should be strategic, and that's why I'm pointing you here. All right, thanks.